Nakasumay sa ate.
Everybody looking for a reason. Why and what you doing? Where you going? I'm trying to follow God, cause I see him. When we conversate, nobody speaking. When we conversate, nobody speaking. If I everybody got choice. All the boys speak their own minds. Right is it wrong? My mind's blind when I'm feeling shine so strong. It's a short life and my
ng araw pati gabi ng makarami. Kala ko nagtuturo ka, hahalik lang pala sa labi. Sa kasamaang palad, di po pwedeng walang bawi. Nasa likod mo ko parate. Napang tabi kabilang parte naman nito. Malabo na mapaghiwalay nila kami. Wala.
Ayan. So hi guys, I'm currently getting ready. I'm gonna go sa dagat ngayon. I'll be just there, like tatambay lang ako near the ocean and yeah, take in the sea breeze. I don't know if I'm gonna take a dip or not because it is quite hot and the sun is really up. And if maliligo ako, masusunog ako. So yeah. And ano din, it's jellyfish season, so I don't want to be stung by a jellyfish. So hindi ako maliligo. So here is the picture, guys. This fit is giving grandma vibes. Yeah. It's gonna be hot. That's why I wore a blazer right now. So yeah. I'll see you guys there. Also, I'm gonna bring an umbrella kasi it's fucking hot. So, hey guys. I'm already here sa Burol and I would say the view never disappoints. Kita yung 160 view ng dagat and it's very pretty. And yung color ng ocean was very blue, especially this side na papuntang Lucena. My only complaint is that I didn't bring my panyo. I didn't bring snacks nor water, so I'm here thirsty. But honestly, this pays off. Ang ganda. Ganda ng view. And I'll be going down mamaya para doon sa dagat a little bit later. Papahinga lang ako ng konti. I'll see you guys. Actually guys, makikita nyo dito yung Marinduque. Ayan. There's Marinduque right there. It depends on the weather kung makikita mo ba siya or not, but it's really rare na makita mo siya as in fully. Although nakita ko na siya fully one time around last month. Kita-kita yung whole ng Marinduque. So yeah, wait lang yung payo ko. So I just realized that I haven't done a full body fit check kasi yung film ko kanina inside the house was like half body siya. So I'm gonna do a full body fit check. Pero I would do that pag nandun ako sa baba, sa may tabi ng dagat. Kasi, if dito ako gagawin, yun, hindi makikita. Makikita lang yun sa akin is yung silhouette ko kasi it would be too bright. So yeah. So hi guys. Andito na ako sa lower part ng Borol and I wanted to film me having like yung naglalakad ako sa frame and hindi ko siya magawa kasi wala akong tripod na dala. And wala din ako masyadong pagpapatungan ng phone. So I'm just thinking of ways para ma-set up ko yung phone ko and then ma-film ko yung part na yun. Kasi ang ganda kung ganun. Dito din, maganda din sa part na to, sa lower part itong Borol. Kita din yung ocean. Pero it's not that high na viewpoint. Pero maganda pa din. Yun lang. Ayun yung mag-boat. But there's a boat there. He's looking at me. Ito yung nilalakadan ko ngayon guys. Pababa siya. And there's a lot of coconut leaves or branches na nag-fall off. And I'm afraid na baka madulas ako. And I would go spiraling down from here. I just realized guys, sobrang laki ng water. I'm already here sa tabi ng dagat and I would say na okay lang, it's mid. Ang tahimik niya kasi wala akong kasama din. And I don't really have a proper place na magstay in kasi or to sit at kasi wala akong dalang mat and yeah, I'm just sitting here at the sand. So yeah. I don't know if I would go for a swim. Kasi jellyfish season nga ngayon and I don't want to be stung by a jellyfish. I already have experienced that and it's not the greatest experience, I would say, especially if you're alone. So here are the seashells guys. There's not much. Ano lang talaga siya like, oh my god, there's some, ayan o. This one. Focus. Yan. It's small but it's pretty. Most of the seashells here are mid. Also the rocks, they're mid. So yeah. If like I want to get yung mas magagandang seashells, I have to cross the sea. Like I have to go there. Wait lang. There, I have to go there. There's like a small part of the sea that separates this part from that part. Hi guys, I'm with the dog na tinatry namin dati na gawin lechon. Here she is. Came up siya sa akin kanina and then she was wagging her tail. I think she remembers me. Yeah. It was 2 years ago that we were threatening her. Nagagawin namin siya lechon. My fit right now is very casual lang kasi wala na naman kaming gagawing stopover. So, just like a regular shirt, some shorts. So I'm already here sa Dolores and yeah, the ride what yung drive here was pretty quick and wala masyadong traffic. And yeah, I already ate dinner and I'm now getting ready to sleep. Yeah. Sanji! Uy, Sanji! Sanji!
Unique interpretation. She realizes that Tai is close to Nano. As Tai tells him to go after her, we see Nano and Sano searching around the campus as Nano notes that the environment is continuing.
Here is the fit check pala. Akong buntis kasi ako.
Ayan yun, no? Harap.
Ayaw mag-focus. Hi guys, I'm in Tayabas and I'm with Yan. I'm so soft-spoken niya guys. Naghahanap po siya ng cafe kasi ang story po niyan, nagpunta po kami sa isang cafe, doon sa place ng cafe na yon. Nilakad po namin and then sarado po guys. Hindi po niya tinignan sa FB kung open.
Papunta na tayo dun, dali.
Tara, tara. I bought some flowers again. For 20 pesos lang siya. Oh. Medyo ano na siya, patay-patay na. Matcha latte.
Crab.
Ano kaya ako? Para ano?
Dalawa kasi itong klase.
Or mag-ano na lang ako?
Cream.
Oo nga, alam ko. Or magkape na lang kaya ako?
Sige, ano dun?
Siya.
Tangina, hindi naman yung kape. Saan ba ako matcha? Sabi, bro. Gano'n lang matcha nila.
Ayun. Ganda na hipaw ko.
Nung loss, di ba? Hindi siya masyado makita yung iba. Tara. Palakpan daw siya.
Hoy, hindi ko pa sure kung palukban ako. Medyo ano lang siya. Biglaan decision.
Good. Yan. Pwede po kami pasyatong sa amin. Yung mga
Ano ba yan? Hi guys! Amin! Oh my God! Lakas ng ulan!
Sama naman. Hayap na rin talaga ako. Cut ko lang si Mano.
Ginagis ka na sa
Ba?
ginagis ba?
Ah!
Christian ha?
Ay, may kasama pa pala tong ano.
Ay, pili ka. Sa kanyang birthday.
Okay lang po. Ito, nainig ko.
Basang baka likod ko.
Ito po yung pinyang galing doon sa Inagos kanina sa festival nila. Anong buraot po ako doon. Pero masarap siya, gagay. Gusto ko pa! Hi guys! Nakahingi uli ako ng pinya. And then naglalakad po kami sa ulan. Look! Uy, gago!
Buti wala na laman.
Kaya ko cellphone. Huwag na nga magbalabal sa ulo. Yan ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Wala pag na ako. Ang sakit
Ano?
ng ulo ko.
I-rate mo tong trip na to.
Ano? 7.10.
Bakit?
7.10 to. Ang ano, kasi masakit ulo ko, hindi ko masyado enjoy. Pero maganda naman yung mga kuha.
Yun lang yung gusto nyo guys. May jeep. Hi guys. Hello. So I'm waiting for an e-bus kasi wala nang jeep. Masakyan doon ang jeep. So sa e-bus na lang ako sasakay pauwi. Nag-iintay ako ngayon ng e-bus. And plastic wala pa. Hi guys! So, I'm already back dito sa bahay ko. And, hindi na ako nakapag-film kasi punuan na yung e-bus and standing ovation ako. From do sa Baguio Bypass until do sa terminal ng e-bus. Standing ovation ako, nakaganon ako. Doon sa dalawang bars. And yeah, it was a pretty okay ride. And actually, kinulang ako ng 2 pesos sa pamasahe ko. And thankfully, there was a kind stranger that gave me like, yung nawawala akong 2 pesos. I'm really thankful for her. Pero, may pera naman ako, pero buo kasi siya and wala nang panukli yung driver. So, nice one.